I am looking forward to watching this film. For the very first time, I am excited to see my hometown featured in a movie. More and more films are being shot here in the Bicol region. I think it was only last year that another movie was filmed in Legazpi City by another big film studio. And as far back I could remember, there was a movie that featured the Piña Francia Fiesta. Personally, I shot this scene a week ago, I think, if I am not mistaken. I am doing a story for another project featuring my hometown. It is heartwarming to see locations close to home. Yeah, home is where the heart is. Cliché, but oh so true. This is another footage I took last week. Ah, yes, the lush greeneries. The verdant vegetation and fantastic flora of the fresh green fields. It is a respite from the congestion of the big cityscapes of Metro Manila. And the relatively much cleaner Naga River that runs through the emerging and bustling former Spanish royal city. Isn't it breathtaking?